National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for. Oops, I farted. Southern County until 8. Damn, I can't stop passing wind. Ugh, I'm sorry guys, but I can't make any AS announcement and fart at the same time. You know what, screw it. Just look at the scrolling message while I share facts about myself. I'm a husky guy. I ate too much, but what did you eat too much of, you ask? 15 Hershey milk chocolate bars, 3 almond joys, 20 take 5 bars, 18 Reese's peanut butter cups, and 6 Three Musketeer bars. That's a hell of a lot of candy. Well, I'm going to fart, so excuse me. Please turn down the volume on your TV or just press the mute button on the TV remote.